In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can do a search on the Badoo dating site, either a search by username, by name, or a general dating search where you find people that are in a certain area. This isn't possible on the Badoo dating site, which is one of the biggest negatives of the site. I mean, there's really no way to search at all. The closest thing is clicking people nearby, but I mean, it's a limited amount of control and it's not really a search. Instead, what you want to do is use our 100% free Badoo username search utility. You don't even have to have a Badoo account, or if you do, you don't have to be logged in. The short URL to this page is nbots.me/WT9. This is the Badoo search utility here. It's real easy to use. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. And if you want to search for somebody, there's instructions here too. If you want to search for somebody by username, you enter in their username or a partial username. If you know their sex, enter it, so you can narrow down the search results. If you know the state they're in, select that, but you don't have to, or the city, and then click Search Badoo. Wait about 2 seconds and scroll down, and there are your search results by username. You can also search using this tool. You can do a general dating search, and the way you do that is you leave the username field blank. You select the sex of the people you're interested in meeting. If you want, you can narrow it down to state, even to city. Again, that's optional. Click Search Badoo, and again, a few seconds later, you get the results that show up, and there's links in the profile descriptions that go directly to their profile on the Badoo dating website.